Welcome, and today we're going to show you an example of converting mixed fractions to improper fractions. Some standard vocabulary you're going to need first is the number on bottom of a fraction is called the denominator. The number on top of the fraction is called the numerator, and over here this represents the whole part. These three components must be there for you to have a mixed fraction. So, let us continue. It's going to be real simple to convert a mixed fraction to improper. It's going to be the denominator times the whole part plus the numerator. And then you keep the same denominator. So here we're going to see that we're going to do 3 times 10 is 30 plus 2 is 32. And like we said, we're going to keep the same denominator. So 10 2/3 is equivalent to 32/3. Now, this next example involves a negative number. These tend to throw kids off because when they do the numerator times, the denominator times the whole part, they tend to include the negative symbol. This is actually a mistake. The way you handle negative mixed fractions when converting is to ignore the negative and just write it at the end of the problem. So we're going to act as if it's not there. So I'm not going to do 9 times -7 when I do the denominator times the whole part. I'm going to do 9 times 7. So that's going to give me 63. Then I'm going to add the 5 and get 68. Again, you're going to use that as the new numerator and keep the original denominator. And then you're just going to remember that it was a negative fraction, so when you convert it, it still has to be a negative fraction. So, -7 5/9 is equivalent to -68/9. How'd I do it?
It's still going.
Yeah.